I'm Alan Butler with Butler Contracting. We're doing simple better. And yesterday we talked about the results we get our clients. And today we're going to talk about why you should work with Butler Contracting. Do you care about quality? Great. Do you want to get those projects done? Awesome. Are you tired of the low-priced, unreliable, unprofessional contractors in our area that won't call you back, that won't show up when they say they will? Then you should work with Butler Contracting, because we honor our commitments, we show up when we say we're going to, and we get the job done. I'm Alan Butler, and I approve this message, paid for by Butler Contracting.